Hello everyone, my name is Teresa with Chapstick and Succulents, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this colorful succulent arrangement. And at the same time, please allow me to bring you to my garden where I can show you where I grow the succulents and make them more colorful before I use them for the arrangement. In this project, I use an Asian design container. It's a pink lotus flower on top of three dragons, and it has a hole at the center. A well-draining soil was then added, and it's a combination of potting soil, perlite, and sand in equal proportion. Usually the pebbles are added at the end of the arrangement as final toppings, but in this case I added it right after the soil because the plants will be arranged in a compact way. And in my previous experience, it is hard to add the pebbles when the plants are already present. You might even wonder why the pebbles are still added despite the fact that it could not even be seen in the arrangement. And the reason for that is because you want something heavy on top of the soil so that when you water the arrangement, the soil would not splash back into the leaves, so you'll maintain the clean look of the arrangement. And when arranging the plants in a round container, place the tallest succulent at the center and the shortest close to the rim. And here's the final result, a very colorful succulent arrangement. And now that we're done with the arrangement, let me show you where I get all those colorful succulents. So this area is in our front yard, and the plants that I have in here receive adequate sunlight every day. And that is one factor that you need in order to have colorful succulents. You need to expose them to adequate amount of sunlight. I also get some of the succulents from this ledge, and this area receives adequate amount of morning light, but they are sheltered from harsh noontime light. And whatever cuttings I get from the ledge, I plant them in little containers and expose them to extreme conditions in order for them to become more colorful. Our videos on how to achieve colorful succulents and also how to propagate faster will soon be available. So if you're interested, please don't forget to subscribe.